Hey, caregivers, do you ever feel like helping someone bathe means stripping away their dignity? The Wrap by Dignity Bath was designed to change that.
I love this product. Bathing can be one of the most vulnerable moments for someone who needs help, and preserving their privacy can make all the difference. This wrap gives people a way to stay covered and comfortable while still getting clean.
Exactly. It helps the care recipient stay warm and safe and dignified throughout the bathing process, while also making things easier for the caregiver.
It's lightweight, quick drying, and easy to put on. But what makes it really unique is how it's designed to work with bathing, not get in the way.
Let's take a look at some of the standout features of the wrap. Okay, Cindy, why don't you start off by telling us about this material? It's very soft.
Yes, it is very soft, so it's kind of perforated. It's like a swimsuit material.
Yeah.
So it's going to be quick drying.
Lightweight.
Yeah, you can hang it up to dry, or you can machine wash it cold and then hang it up to dry. It actually is soft enough, and because it's perforated, you can put soap right on this and use it as a washcloth. Okay. So very, very helpful with that. Up here, we have the adjustable snaps right here, but it's also got the elastic band.
Yeah, it's got some non-skid kind of
it's kind of rubbery.
Material.
Yeah, rubbery
nice.
Elastic band there. So it adjusts and fits different sizes.
It comes in men's and women's.
Men's and women's. Yeah. That's right. That's right. So very nice there. It also has, so when you put it on, this slit right here kind of goes down the thigh area. So it's easy, kind of open, but still covered to kind of get, if you need to rinse or wash or something like that.
Yeah, which you could use this as a washcloth.
Yes, absolutely, which I think is great too. Yeah. It also has a slit cut right here. Okay, so that's accessibility right there. And if we turn this around, it has a slit right here in the back. So Christina, what they do say too is you can actually kind of put this on. The men can put it around their waist and before you undress. So you can use these excess points to help undress or get things unsnapped or pulled down.
Again,
or whatever.
for dignity with undressing.
That's right.
Yeah. And then also with bathing. Wow, that's fantastic.
So that's very nice. Access right there. I used this wrap. We trial all of our products. We make sure that, what we say is what it does. So I did trial this. I like the feel of it. Very, very comfortable. Easy to put on.
Is it warm?
Yes, it was warm. Okay. So whenever, you spray that warm water on yourself, it stays warm. The other thing that, if you're sitting in a chair, this material is going to help reduce the slippage. So if you have to sit down on a shower chair, it's kind of a non-skid. This will help with that.
Nice.
So very comfortable. I thought it worked very well. Just hung it up to dry overnight and took care of it.
Whether you're helping a parent, a patient, or a loved one with limited mobility, this wrap makes the bathing experience more respectful and less stressful.
It's ideal for older adults, people with disabilities, and anyone who needs assistance bathing.
Whether it's in home or a care facility, the Wrap by Dignity Bath is all about restoring comfort, privacy, and confidence during one of the most personal parts of caregiving.
It's a simple solution that makes a big impact for both the person receiving the care and the one giving it.
Dignity doesn't have to be compromised. With the right tools, such as the wrap, compassionate care becomes easier for everyone.